Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, November 19th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. Boys and girls, if you have not returned your report card envelopes yet, please do so this week. It's very important to get your report card envelopes turned in. So I'm going to make a competition out of this right now. So the first class that gets all the report card envelopes in will get a ice cream party. So you will get special ice cream treats if you get in your report card envelopes first. So starting now until the end of the week, get those report card envelopes in. And teachers, once you get all your report card envelopes in, let me know who you are, because you could be the very first class to actually have those turned in. Bathroom expectations. Boys and girls, couple of things here. We reviewed all the expectations in the beginning of the year. One of those areas was the bathroom, in which Nurse Kelly Bilsbach helped out with that. There's many of you that are in the bathroom areas, especially down towards the office, that are not keeping it very clean. Boys and girls, it's very important that you use the restroom and then you get out of the restroom. You're not making a mess. You're not doing things you should not be doing. The things that you would be doing at home is what you should be doing at school, because I have a lot of kids, especially in the boys area, not keeping it very clean in there. So, boys, this is directed towards you. If you got to use the restroom, you go in and use the restroom, because right now I have the camera pointed right on that door, on the bathroom, on the boys and girls side. I can see exactly who goes in and out of the bathroom. I'll be watching it very carefully to see who is using the bathroom and who's not keeping it clean. So it's very important that you keep the bathrooms clean. If you are not, you'll be seeing me, and we'll be explaining to your parents why you are keeping the bathroom dirty, or what you are doing in the bathroom is not very clean. Birthday list. Wow, we have lots of birthdays to announce for today. So here are the birthdays to announce for November 19th. Milo Button, Finn Cochran, Noah Phillips, and Jordy Ruiz Lara. Just those ones, which are the most birthdays we've had all month long in one day. So, happy birthday to all of you. Hope you have a great day. Our lunch choices for today is cheeseburger, crispy chicken salad, and American sandwich. And today I have a video of Kid Present in 25 days, 25 reasons to be thankful, because Thanksgiving is next week. So when we start doing pause for Wednesday with this week's class, we're going to be doing something similar about giving thanks up until Thanksgiving next week. So boys and girls, if I get you 4 announcements this week, you're going to be giving thanks to something special that you have in your lives.
So, let's be real. Some days are hard. So I made this list of awesome things I'm thankful for. Yeah. Sometimes I need reminding that things are not all that bad. So I wanted to share a few, because you guys are my friends. It's great to be alive. And here's some reminders why. First one, bubble wrap. When cats do their tongue, like this. I'm also thankful for the little paw pads like the cats and dogs have, and the sound it makes. Paw pads. I love them. Hey, turn that back on. Oh, no. Change it. There, that's better. Music is magical. It can make anything better. Live music can make a video better. The same goes with life. Singing. I like Paw Pat. Singing. If something's boring, just sing it, and that will make it better. Watching paint dry. It's really cool. Old people still hold hands. Clouds that look like stuff. One time I saw a cloud that looked like an airplane, and I realized it was an airplane. Imagination. Without it, we wouldn't have airplanes, no internet, pants. We gotta wear them, because if we didn't, it would be sort of awkward. Pants. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Sweet. Clothes with funny names, like Windbreaker. Birthday cake. No reason at all cake. Just cake. Sorry, we filmed this while I was hungry. Forgiveness! Okay, President, I ain't perfect. Ain't no word. We all mess up. Come on. Don't mess up and forget to forgive all the mess up. Thankful plants undergo photosynthesis, using the energy from the sun to convert carbon dioxide to oxygen, providing us with the air we need to do things like this. I'm bored. Morgan Freeman's voice. Hello, I'm Morgan Freeman. I'm working on it. My voice is changing, but it hasn't changed that much. Food. I go, burger. I know, I already said food, but this is my list and my rules. Happiness. Sadness. Sad isn't bad. Helps you know what you care about. People. Sometimes people can be really people, and we need each other. Life's better with people in it. Family, friends, you, just being alive. Sometimes we forget how it's just great to be alive. We're breathing. Some days are tough, but we got a lot to be thankful for. We just have to look for it sometimes. They say if you have food in your fridge, clothes on your back, and a place to sleep, you're richer than 75% of the world. I did not know that. So what would you add to the list? Let me know. Share this video with someone you're really thankful for. Oh, and of course, also this. Dancing! Well, I'm not thankful for all of you. Seriously, thanks for giving us and the whole world a reason to dance. So what you're thankful for, let me know. KP out. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
So what we'll be doing with our thanks is be doing something very similar to that. So for this week, when I get you for announcements, we'll be doing very similar things about giving thanks to special things in our lives. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And remember, boys and girls, let's make it a great day. Happy birthday to those 5 students that I had announced earlier. And let's keep our bathroom clean today. Let's make sure we're showing our positive behaviors with good bathroom expectations. Have a great day.